Streamlining report sharing and collaboration in Powered by. Creating a workspace. In Powered by, you can create a workspace for each project, department, or team. This central location lets team members access, edit, and manage Powered by content collaboratively. Publishing reports to the workspace. Once a report is published to a workspace, team members can access it based on their roles, making it easy to share insights without duplicating files. Leveraging Powered by service for web-based sharing. Share reports directly with users. You can share reports with individuals by entering their email addresses and setting their access level. This is ideal for sharing insights with specific team members or clients without requiring them to download the Powered by desktop app. Generate links for easy access. Powered by also allows you to generate a shareable link to a report or dashboard. This link can be shared with anyone in your organization, providing an efficient way to distribute insights widely. Embedding Powered by in Microsoft Teams for real-time collaboration. Adding reports to Teams channels. You can embed Powered by reports directly into specific Teams channels. This enables team members to view and discuss insights without switching between platforms. Utilizing Teams chats for updates. Once a report is added to a channel, team members can leave comments, share feedback, and even tag others in the chat to drive data-driven discussions using Powered by apps for large-scale distribution. Creating and publishing an app. To create an app, select multiple reports or dashboards from your workspace and package them together. Once the app is created, you can publish it to the organization and set specific access permissions for different user groups. Updating apps for continuous collaboration. When you update an app, all users with access see the changes instantly. This ensures everyone is aligned with the latest insights. Conclusion. In conclusion, Powered by's robust sharing and collaboration features make it easy for teams to work together and stay informed.